Hey guys, welcome back into the Crypto Mark. I'm Mark, and I want to talk to you guys briefly about Shiba Inu and what's going on right here, right now, because we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. And now, as we look at levels around 4025, I want to put some items in perspective as we look into what's going on within their burn rate, as well as some of the numbers behind Shib that you do not want to miss. So make sure you guys all stick around to the end of this video. Also, if you have not yet subscribed here on the channel, make sure you guys all do below. Smash that like button as well, because we talk Shib every single day here, right here on the Crypto Mark. All right, but let's get down into it, and without further ado, let's look into the trading view, because that's where we're seeing Shib right now as we currently look, having a really sharp dive into the negative, where we look at Shiba Inu in down around 9% on the day, just as we're waking up here. As we look at 11:38 UTC, this is where we're seeing the momentum down flash on the trading view. That's right there where you can see the momentum down flash around that 4030 line, and we've been on a little bit of a correction. So that's why it's so important to use a trading indicator if you guys are using swing trading, or if your guys are just into that side of crypto, where you don't like just hold and see what happens. All right, if you guys are making moves on the daily, or even every so often, I use my trading indicator on every one of my crypto trades. Link down below for 20% off using promo code NYFC. That's one we're able to get ahead of that 9% dip that we're seeing right now, and it's something where it's truly invaluable. All right, it's something where if you're not sure what you're doing, it's not a crystal ball, but it simply works. Like I said, check it out, xtalgo.com. There's a link down below if you're looking to get on board with a trading indicator, because I use it in this market, especially on every single one of my crypto trades. These are 30-minute candles that we're looking into, but still, if you're able to get that momentum up flash, you can alert right to your trading view account, right to your mobile device, where it tells you, okay, we got some momentum down flashing, and then you can basically do your own research and due diligence. If you want to get ahead of this dip, you could have basically saved 9% and then bought back in when we get that next momentum up flashing. So that's how I use it. Check it out for yourself. Obviously, not financial advice. It's not a crystal ball, but I do want to share with you what we're doing with XTAlgo. Okay, but this is what we're seeing as we look into Shib torching 110 million tokens. Now, what I wanted to make this video for is kind of illustrate the correlation between the burn rate, despite being up 2,400% almost, and seeing the Shib price down about 9%. Okay, this is how we've seen a little bit of that regression pullback, if you will, with what we've had since that 300+% pump that we had earlier in March. Okay, so Shib is still on a hot tear. I do want to highlight some of the projects within Shibarium. That's kind of where my focus has been recently within trading within Shib. It's more so been on Shibarium. We look at K9 Finance. They're on a little bit of a dip. That's one where liquid staking seems to be like that next wave that everybody seems to be getting into. So that's something I'm attracted to, as well as some of the other things such as the Bone token. I think that's going to be one of the true beneficiaries of all of this Shib burning and what we're seeing for the future of Shiba Inu, Shibarium. It's all connected. But on days where the burn rate is seeing huge amounts of incineration, like we're seeing right here, where we see these huge wallet transactions, 105 billion Shib. Okay, other such as a 3.3 million Shib being burned. That's where you see a lot of these, the big uptick in the burn rate. This is the graphic brought to you by ShibBurn. If you want to check out that official page, that's always a good source within the Shiba Inu community. But this is where we're looking at that burn rate, 2,355% up over the last 24 hours. And that's kind of what we're looking at. All right. And in terms of what this is doing to Shib's price, this is kind of what we're seeing. It's a recycling, if you will. Okay. I do truly look at the trading view, and we can see right here, in my personal opinion, right, obviously not financial advice, this is the line that we're currently at. This is that last support level that we were at that 2.5 level. Last time we were there, we got the momentum up flash, and we were able to get up about 12% back up to that 3.2 level. Okay, but right here is that floor for me. That's at that 4022 line. That's where if we drop below that, then I'm really concerned about what's going on in the broader crypto market. But Shib, just recently having a major recent high. It's something where it's going to be volatile. Crypto is going to be volatile. I really expect with the Bitcoin halving in the works coming about just this month, we're going to see some extreme volatility, some big bets, some buying the rumors, selling the news events that are going to take place as well. And then by all accounts, it's ready to run. Okay, that's kind of what I've been hearing. I know some of the historical data doesn't correlate and trend with the fact of the Bitcoin halving and seeing the immediate price impacts, but this is one where Shib's burning tokens. We're seeing a lot of movement, a lot of projects being built on Shibarium, and this is one where we're looking at the meme coin side of things. Yeah, I know there's more flashy ones out there with Solana meme coins. We're getting into some of the base chain coins, and those are going to be the hot Pepe-esque runs where they get that extreme, 40% swings day in and day out. But Shiba Inu, guys, is still, in my opinion, a top 10 crypto. I think they're going to move very, very nicely. A lot of people are wondering, is this a buy, right? You're probably asking yourself, should I be buying Shiba Inu on this dip? Well, obviously everybody has their own financial situation to worry about and what they're trying to do. But like I told you, with me and my personal investment strategy, when we hit that 4022 line, that's where I look as a floor being established and look to be buying more SHIB. So those are my thoughts. We're going to continue to monitor what's going on within the chart, within the trading view, see if SHIB gets any lower, but see what's going on with the broader market, if there's any catalyst moving the needle downward in this direction. But for me, I think it's truly just going to be a short-lived swing, and then there's going to be some upside where we get back into that 403 line for Shiba Inu. So that's what I got for you in this video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Enjoy this Tuesday as we kick off April. Please, like I said, make sure you all subscribe on your way out. Smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all tomorrow in the next video. Cheers.